Good afternoon. I'm Dale Cedars here in the 24/7 Weather Center. We're going to see some pretty warm temperatures today in the mid-80s this afternoon. We're going to see that between 3 and 4 o'clock. We're going to stay pretty warm through the afternoon, even the early evening hours. Look at 10 o'clock, only dropping down to around 70 degrees. Now, we do have a chance for some afternoon storms. That'll cool us off just a little bit if you're one of the areas that sees those storms. Now, part of us do have a chance to see some severe weather. You can see this area shaded in yellow. It's basically east of the I-25 corridor. We could see some hail, possibly 2 inches in diameter, some lightning, and some gusty winds up to 60 miles per hour. So that could be some serious storms. So let's take you through our futurecast, and I'll show you how it plays out. Starting at noon, we're already starting to see a little bit of the clouds and the rain starting to build. Those then are going to push towards the I-25 corridor. There is a chance that the Hyde Park fire could see some rain as a result of these storms as they push through the Denver metro area. We're also going to see it throughout our early afternoon, even our late afternoon. You can see it kind of hugging the exterior of the 470 corridor. That's then going to push down south. The folks on I-70, you're going to get hammered with just another round of those afternoon storms. You saw them last night, even early this morning. You can see it sticking with us through our dinner time hours. Look at 7 o'clock. The reds indicating stronger storms than what we see in the yellow and the green. And that's the area out on the eastern plains that some of these storms could become severe. Now, those are going to clear out late this evening into our early morning hours. And then tomorrow, starting around 11 o'clock, same type of repeat storm. We're going to start to see the clouds up in the foothills with those rain showers, then pushing into the I-25 corridor. Those will stick around through the early afternoon hours. You can see some of these, again, could be a little bit strong and do have a chance to hit that Hyde Park fire area, hopefully in the form of rain and not necessarily all of these gusty winds. But these storms could pack some wind speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. Again, by 4:30, you can see it down a little bit farther south. This storm's going to push down south, so the Douglas County area, even up through Jefferson County in the higher elevations, could see some of these storms. Those are going to stick around a little bit later in the evening and could become a little bit stronger as the evening progresses tomorrow night. That then is going to push right on out, and Sunday looks to be a very hot day with very little chance of some rain showers. Let's widen this out and show you the statewide view. This is starting this afternoon around 2:15. As we put it into motion, you'll see that storm push through, and then this is that band right along the I-70 corridor that's going to push right on out east of the state. Then it's going to clear, and then tomorrow afternoon, that's where we start to see another round of those storms picking up right in the foothills. That is going to push through, and you're going to see it kind of push down through the Douglas County area, even Colorado Springs. They're going to get a little bit of those rain showers. So for today, pretty warm temperatures in the mid-80s for us. Look at Grand Junction, though, 95 degrees. So it's going to be pretty warm out there on the western slope. The rest of us in the Front Range and out on the eastern plains in those 80s. Those in the higher elevations, a little closer to the 70s, although Georgetown, you may not even hit that 70-degree mark, staying right around 69 degrees. As we look at our 7-day planner, you'll notice we're going to cool off just a little bit tomorrow. We've got a weak front that's pushing through, and those chances of rains as we showed you through Futurecast. Then on Sunday, we are going to dry out, and we're going to warm up into the 90s. It's going to be a pretty warm day for most of us all across the Front Range. We're going to keep that temperature with us through the beginning of our work week, with a chance of afternoon storms returning Wednesday and Thursday.